we know what is fiction, right? Fiction is something that is not real. That's not real. Okay, that is fiction. These are all science fiction movies. So this movie came 45 years ago. Just imagine. Okay, 45, because 1980 is, we are in 2025. It came 45 years ago. 45 years ago, they were talking about a humanoid robot, which was not possible then, but today it is possible. It was a fiction back then in 1980s. And in 2025, a humanoid robot is possible. We have humanoid robots in India itself today. Right? If you go to any expo in Marine Drive or anything happening, you will see robot dogs going here. Even in IPL matches, they are using robot dogs to survey the entire field, get some data and all that. Okay? So today it is possible to have a robo like R2D2 and all that. Okay? Now these all movies came even before your ChatGPT came into existence. ChatGPT came into existence only after our COVID. Okay, there were a lot of research and development that was happening. Okay, and finally they released it to the entire world in 2020's 2021 time, which is just 4 years before. Okay, but whatever capabilities the ChatGPT is doing, these were doing it way before. At least it was imagined way before. Just imagine 45 years ago, someone has thought about this, that it is possible to have a humanoid robot, right? And today it is a reality. So whatever was fiction in 1980s, today it has become a reality. So whatever is fiction today can become a reality tomorrow also. Okay, for example, flying cars. We don't have flying cars today. When I was a small kid in school, we had a cartoon called Flintstones. I don't know if any of you have seen Flintstones. Flintstones is a cartoon that came in 1980s, 1990s. In that, they will show a city, an entire city, which only has flying cars. Flintstones is also available in YouTube. All these are available on YouTube. You can go and watch it. Okay, so that was not possible back then in 1980s. Today it is possible. Today there is research and development happening on flying cars. So maybe 10 years or 15 years from now, you will see flying cars being sold, like how EVs are being sold today, electric vehicles. Electric vehicle was not a possibility when I was doing engineering back in 2010, 2015 time. Today it is possible, right? So this is how technology is keeping on evolving. The reason why I am starting with robots is all these robots are showing human capabilities. How this has been trained is, does it have a human brain? No. But it is being trained with a lot of data. Now if you watch this movie is available, like I mentioned, all these are in YouTube. In this movie, the first 10 minutes, what they show is how the hero is training this robot with a lot of data. They will train it with singing. What are the different songs? What is Carnatic music? What is Western music? What is Indian music? What is Hindustani? They will train in martial arts, English, German, French, lot of languages. So all this data is being fed into the software, okay, which is a chip or something. Okay, whatever is being used in this one. That is how the things have evolved, and today we have something called ChatGPT or other tools like ChatGPT. Okay, so that's how data is being fed. Now, where this data is coming from? Previously, before computers, we had all the data only in books, scrolls, books, everything. And then we know about how computers have evolved, right? Today we have laptop. When we were in school, maybe we had a big computer and all that, very big device. Today the devices are becoming smaller, portable, right? We can carry a laptop and we can sit in coffee shop and we can work today, which was not possible maybe 25 years back, right? That's how it is. So those data have been brought in to our databases. We have data centers, right? If you have already worked in IT, you would have heard at least about data center, cloud and all that. Okay, there is a cloud called Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, lot of cloud and all, where you don't have to save the data in a physical device. So now I am projecting this content using a pen drive, which is a physical device. Without physical device, you can store the data in cloud, which doesn't mean that there is no physical device. The physical device is being owned by Amazon. If you are using AWS, it is owned by Microsoft, which is using, and they will have their center somewhere in Mumbai or somewhere in America. Okay, but you can store your data from here to those cloud services. Okay, that's how it is. So this data is being stored. Okay, or we have a lot of data. We have data from marketing, finance, all our subjects, whatever we have learned in our pre-degree, in our degree, post-graduation, everything. Okay, PhD level, all of it has been stored over there. So now that we have fed all the data, okay, now all the data we started analyzing. So once 25 years back, what is happening is we were building coding to develop software programs, develop operating system, okay, develop applications like maybe Java application, Python application, all of it. okay, different programming languages. And then we were building websites with it. So we are getting a lot of data via the websites. Today we are using Amazon. We are buying some products. Okay, so we are creating an account. So Amazon will know what all you have bought in the last 2 years, the last 5 years, last 10 years. If you are using Flipkart, Flipkart will know what you have bought today, what you are going to, maybe what you are planning to buy tomorrow. Maybe you would have seen some products, but you wouldn't have bought it. But they will send you multiple reminders. That's how they are influencing you to make you buy. How that is happening is because of the data analysis, what they are doing. They are doing data analysis in the back end. Whatever Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever we are using for free, the only reason that is being given free is because we are the product. We are using it. Based on your usage, based on the things that you like, you dislike, you comment, they profile you. Okay, so this person, let's say myself, I am Akshay. So Akshay is liking this content. He is not liking this content. He is engaging with this content by putting a comment. That's how they will profile me. Similarly, you would have also done. You would have liked some pages, unliked some pages, commented on some pages. So they will profile you. And based on that, they will suggest you products that you will like. So that they will influence you to buy. Even if you don't want a product. Today they are influencing you to buy the product by creating an urge. That is all happening because of the data analytics that is. So data analytics is something that was very popular in 2015, back when I was initially starting my career, some 10-15 years back. Everyone was talking about data analytics, predictive analytics, this, that and all, augmented reality, virtual reality. So these were some of the topics, some of the buzzwords that were going around in the IT industry 10 years back. Okay, predictive analytics, data analytics. Now after doing a lot of analytics, what they did is, the tool is doing a lot of analytics and providing you insights. It is providing you a lot of dashboards. Okay, now if you want for Kerala, you have a product, you have a company, you are selling a product. We want to know in Kerala how many people are buying, and I want to know how many from North Kerala are buying, how many from South Kerala, how many from Central Kerala, and I want to know how many. Where is my customer base more? Is it in Cochin? Is it in Trivandrum? Is it in Calicut? Okay, I want to know that. So that is what these data analytics have been playing the role. Okay. Now from all this data, what they are trying to do is they are trying to create models. Okay. So the R&D, the way it has happened is, be it Microsoft, be it Amazon, everyone was trying to do the same.